In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Roblox to Discord. To get started, make sure you've already set up both your Roblox and Discord accounts. This tutorial assumes you have them both ready to go because we'll be linking these platforms directly. First, open up your Discord application. You can do this on a desktop or through the mobile app, whatever is most convenient for you. Once you're in Discord, look down towards the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your profile picture with your username. Click on the gear icon next to your name to open up the user settings. Inside user settings, focus on the list running down the left-hand side and locate the Connections tab. Click on this, and you'll notice a variety of options for linking different platforms to your Discord account. Look for the Roblox logo, which will appear among these options. Click on it. A new window should pop up, prompting you to log into your Roblox account. If you aren't already logged into Roblox, do so by entering your username and password, ensuring the credentials are correct to avoid any hassles. Once logged in, you'll be asked to authorize Discord. This step is very important because it permits Discord to access your Roblox account information necessary for the integration. Accept this authorization request. At this point, Discord will initiate the connection process and, assuming everything goes smoothly, your Roblox account should now be linked to your Discord account. You can now see your Roblox profile listed as a connection in your Discord user settings. Once the accounts are linked, think about customizing what friends and fellow Discord users can see. Within the Connections tab, you should find a toggle switch near the Roblox logo in your Connections list. His toggle pertains to whether or not your friends can see your Roblox status. If you prefer to keep your gaming activity private, make sure that this toggle is turned off. Finally, as a little extra tip, using Discord and Roblox together can enhance your gaming experience. Whether you're coordinating with other players or just chatting with friends, the clear audio and text chat provided by Discord can make all the difference. So, dive into your favorite games with a whole new layer of communication at your fingertips. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Roblox to Discord, making it easier to stay connected with your friends and fellow gamers. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more how-to guides and tech tips. Until next time, happy gaming!